I'll talk about the things that have not been resolved and occasionally called a mystery. Mystery is defined as something very difficult to understand, something strange, inexplicable to understand or figure out what is hidden. Today, I will speak of an event that arose of this year is something that could not be explained by different reasons. Sometimes they fail or to investigate to find the reason as they are very difficult to resolve. The Malaysia Airlines MH370 flight disappeared from radar on March 8, 2 hours after taking off Malaysian capital Kuala Lumpur, heading to Beijing with 2,027 passengers and a crew of 12 members on board. He immediately undertook an intensive search, mainly on the south of China Sea. Rescue of the teams from a dozen countries collaborated tracking with the support of more than 45 ships, 43 aircraft, and 11 satellites. After more of 2 weeks of searching, the Malaysian authorities announced that the Boeing 777 had fallen in the Indian Ocean, killing everyone on board. The mission on the underwater search tracked 80% of the area where it is assumed that the aircraft fell without finding object of interest. The Bluefin 21 mini submarine complete this 10th mission and focuses within 10 square kilometers, where a signal that supposedly comes from one of the black boxes of the apparatus, said in a statement joint center at the agency's dictate. And Malaysian Transport Minister Haibun Hussein said that it estimates that the bluefin finished the magnet around bounded that week. I think that where things are simply that cannot answer and will continue to be a mystery has proven that one step. That's my video.